Slowly sit any comfortable posture. Sukhasana, Padmasana. Neck back is straight, should be one line. Gently close your eyes. Your hand Gyan Mudra and Chin Mudra on your knees. So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly relax your mind. Relax your face. Relax your shoulder. Relax your hand. Relax your upper and lower body. Fully relax. Slowly deep inhale. Deep exhale. Deep inhale. And deep exhale. Concentrate on your breathing process. Inhalation and exhalation. Slowly bend your elbows, join your palms front on your chest. 3 times Om chanting. Deep inhale. Again, inhale. Again, last time. Inhale. Slowly deep inhale. Deep exhale. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Feel the positive energy. Feel the vibration. Feel the breathing process. How inhalation and exhalation. Slowly rub your both palms and touch your eyes. Slowly again rub your both palms and touch your eyes, touch your face, touch your neck. Slowly touch your shoulder, touch your hand, touch your back, touch your thigh, touch your knees, touch your leg, and slowly join your palms. Namaste.